Hey, Dr. Ricardo Vargas with Pro Holistic Care Channel. Today, another exercise, a metabolic exercise for Fitness Wednesday. A simple exercise is a push-up variation called Hindu push-up. It's excellent to strengthen your body, but at the same time to strengthen your spine and create flexibility. It's composed of 2 yoga moves. Make sure you go to the blog below and read the benefits of the exercise, practice it, and strengthen your spine. And you need help to lose weight, to strengthen your body, to prevent diseases. We're here in Pro Holistic Care to help you with that. Make sure you subscribe, like us, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye. The Hindu push-up is an excellent exercise to strengthen your back. It's composed of 2 yoga poses. At the top, make sure you push back, stretch your shoulder, and at the bottom, make sure you push up to stretch your lower back and abdominal. Enjoy this exercise. Contact us if you need any help. Dr. Ricardo Vargas, Pro Holistic Care. Talk to you soon.